How to use credit balance in Temu. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Temu, log into your account, and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the bottom, you'll find U option, which is at the middle on the bottom beside categories and card. Click on it, and then you'll find credit balance in here in this way. As you can see, it's zero. So simply you can add balance by connecting your debit or credit card. After you're done to use this, simply go to any product, buy the product, and while paying it, you can simply choose credit balance and you're good to go. This is how to use credit balance in Temu. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.